Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make avocado vegetable. First, select a perfectly ripe avocado. It should feel slightly soft when pressed. Next, carefully slice it in half lengthwise, circling the large pit. Then, gently twist out the pit using a spoon. Scoop out the creamy flesh with ease. This simple preparation ensures your avocado is ready for any delicious recipe you have in mind. Now, let's create a simple avocado vegetable dish. Dice the avocado flesh into neat, 1/2 inch cubes. In a bowl, combine these with some fresh chopped tomatoes and finely diced red onion. Finish with a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice and a dash of salt and pepper. This quick salad is a refreshing and healthy side, perfect for any meal. To elevate your avocado dish, consider these flavorful additions. A small sprinkle of chili flakes can introduce a pleasant warmth without overpowering the avocado's natural taste. Fresh herbs like cilantro or parsley add a vibrant, aromatic touch. For a creamier texture, mash about 1/4 of the avocado with a fork before mixing it in. These simple steps enhance both flavor and texture. Your avocado vegetable dish is now ready to enjoy. It makes a fantastic side, a delicious topping for tacos, or even a light snack. Remember to store any leftovers in an airtight container, perhaps with a squeeze of lime, to keep it fresh and prevent browning. For more great cooking tips and deals, check the description below. Also, if you're looking for incredibly durable and comfortable socks, you'll find a link to darn tough socks there too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.